Peer reflection to the god and goddess of this planet Kai. So many people want to ask, what is the difference between a prayer and a meditation? Is a prayer is a sign of evil, or is a meditation a sign of evil? Is a prayer coming from a religion group? Is a meditation come from a religion group? I'm not sure where these two things coming from, understand? But I will tell you, it was described by people who wanted to know about this world, understand? One is science. Two is theology, understand? So the prayer belongs to the theology, and then meditation belongs to the science people, understand? People who are like me, understand? So a prayer is like when you write a message to someone, maybe your brother, your uncle, maybe they are in your hospital, or maybe they are somewhere, maybe in London, and then you are far than them. You tell them every day about your problem. You don't have a money, you don't have a house, you don't have a car, you don't have anything, understand? You're busy sending them the messages, and then they don't respond you. You write them the letter, they blue tick you. Such as maybe in a relationship, some of them they live in that life right now, understand? They blue tick them, and then they send another message on top of the message, the message on top of the message, the message on top of the message, but there's no response. And then you come to me, you tell me that your messages are not going to the person that you're looking for. Understand? He blue ticks you, you have a problem, you don't have anything in your house, but you keep on praying. What kind of a God is this that you pray to? And then I tell you, no, you need to give me 10 rand. Give me 10 rand, I will show you the powers. I will show you the powers of God, how God works. Understand? And then you give me 10 rand. And then you pray again. Understand? And then next day you get a job. That time it was a time for you to get a job. Understand? Then you get a job. That thing that you didn't pray for, but you got it. And then you said, God, you asked for a car, but God gave you a house. I see a lot of people saying that. I asked for money, but God gave me a girlfriend. I asked what, but God gave me something like this. This is a theology. Understand? It's a boys. It's a boys. We have attitude. This is a theology. It's here in your left brain. Understand? It's the theology. And then you have people who are like me. People who belong to the nature. Science, people who want to know, understand? So in meditation, guys, it's like this. Have you sit down and then you receive a call, then when you get a call and then someone say, we have your money here in the bank, why Mr. John you didn't come and pick it up? And then you say, no, I'm not John, I am simphiwe. And then you say, you simphiwe, sorry, it's a wrong number. Understand? And then you drop the calls. Or maybe just sitting there in your house, and then you receive a message that say you have received 3,000 or in your SMS, and then you ask yourself, who sent that money? Understand where it's coming from. That is the power of meditation. That is the power of meditation. Let me tell you why. In this world, we have different atoms on this world. Understand? As I am here, I can make you connect with me. I can make any animals connect with me. I can make anything that is in the nature to connect with me through my meditation. My meditation is the same thing as I'm using my phone. Then I am calling you to your phone. That is the power of meditation. This is a power that you need to do when you are a DJ, when you use you play all of these things that you play in your, when you want to receive more money, you do a meditation about it. I'm telling you, Monday to Thursday, do a meditation and then say what you want. Meditate, go and do the power of meditation. Every tree that I have checked, man, even the branches, everything, they have the atom layers inside of them. Atom layers mean life, the power of life, such as you don't age. Your body age, but inside you don't age, because there's power in you, the power that is holding the second of this life. Understand? I've cut the branches. When I cut the branches, I can see that there's a sign of an atom there that is still powerful inside the branches. That is the picture of there. So every tree that you see around, they have something that is called a VML. Understand? Inside of there, they can describe for you that flower has three leaves, that flower had 4 leaves, that flower had 5 leaves. All of this is a power of meditation. You can meditate on it, understand? You can sit down and meditate on it. Every line that is out there is gonna touch you. Whoever is rich, you can meditate with his name, is gonna come to you. This is how the power of meditation is so bigger than a prayer. When you keep sending the letter, the person won't respond. But when you meditate on your work, maybe you are a DJ, meditate on your work. Meditate. Then you will see people, they will start to come in your show every day. The power of meditation and the power of prayer are simple, are different. They are not from devil. It's just one is for theory and one is for science. It's an Aquarius and an Aries. They're fighting the bull and the toe. Understand? You need to step on the one side. That you can see that is working for me. This is what I wanted in my life. You will get it through the power of meditation.